Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to log into Wish application with Facebook account. In order to log into Wish account with Facebook, first of all, make sure you have a Facebook account. Now, simply launch open the Wish application from your app drawer and then you will be able to launch the app open in the first interface, which looks like this. To sign in with your Facebook account, simply tap on Continue with Facebook. Now, in order to let Wish access your Facebook profile picture and email addresses, tap on Continue button. You will also need to enter your Facebook account's email and password. If you don't have a Facebook account, you'll also need to create one. Once Wish uses the profile picture and your information such as email from Facebook, you will then be able to sign into your Wish account just like that. And that is how you will be able to log into Wish with Facebook in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.